Eric Muathe at Muathe.com. Let's take a look here at an example, and then we'll take a look at Tesla on its daily chart. I want to take a look at Checkpoint Software, CHKP, and show you one line on its daily chart going back to the lows here. We just extend this line. Now this was the break of the highs there. Now the stock would come back and try and hold above that line, but you can see what happened. There was resistance here for those highs, and ultimately resistance here. Actually looks like a double top on its daily for the highs here before we get the recent drop. So this drop here comes on the backtest failure. So one line on the daily that was telegraphing potential for reversal. Now I want to show you the daily chart for Tesla. And what we see here on the daily chart for Tesla today after the close of July 25th, 2017 is a simple line that the stock is going to have to decide whether it can hold above this line or whether this remains as resistance. Don't forget that we broke below here during this drop. Now the stock is trying to recapture back above that level. So either it moves above that line and continues with the recent recovery. It's a simple process here. Either we get movement above that line or we get resistance and we start pulling back. Now if I draw that one more time, we can also see that it is coming back to test the RSI 50 level. And we can see some examples of this uniform activity support at those lows, uniform double bottom, uniform activity support there. Right now we are looking at the potential for the exact opposite, which is uniform activity rejection. So what I'm trying to say here is, if you take a look at the example for Checkpoint Software, we can assume that if this is confirmed as resistance, the more this is rejection, chances are we are looking at a stock that is poised for movement lower for those of you who trade options. And we can also see that it is doing its best to recapture the level back above the 50-day moving average. So if we check where the 50-day moving average is trading, so the 50-day moving average is trading at about 341 and change. We can say that you can set an alert somewhere above this level. If the stock clears that level, it would suggest that it has finally cleared the resistance line, and so you want to get stopped out. But as long as we are seeing rejection on the RSI line, as we've discussed here, rejection here, and especially movement back below RSI 50 on the daily, confirmation of resistance around the 50-day moving average, that would suggest that the short-term odds point to reversal lower. Eric Muathe at Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESC.